Prado. Pass to Montoya to Paredes. Rebound. Dimate. Dribbling the ball. Crossing the midcourt. Pass to Secreto. 14 second shot clock. To Valiesa. 10 second shot clock. Shot clock down. 5. Rebound. Paredes. Pass to Prado. Crossing the midcourt. Prado nga na bumadali. Pass to Bailon. Pink. Layup. Rebound. Binoya.
Super layup version din pala yun.
53-67.
May super layup version din pala yun. Wala sa sinamang buti niya.
Go for to. May Secreto.
Super layup, super layup.
Prado dribbling the ball. Pass to Parvo. Shot clock down and steal. Valiesa. And pass to Secreto. Secreto dribbling the ball. 14 second shot clock. 10 second shot clock. 5 second shot clock. And steal. Foul jersey number 11. Secreto. Secreto second foul and first for the team. Yun, bagong uniform. Prado. Pass to Paredes, back to Prado. Rebound. Valiesa. And still by Paredes. Paredes pass to Prado. Good for two by Prado. Basket count. And 1. Foul jersey number 10. Binoya. Binoya second foul and second for the team. Saga. Shot clock down 14. Pass to Valiesa. To Binoya. 10 second shot clock. Dimate. Spin move. Rebound. Parvo. Pass to Valiesa. Valiesa spin move. Layup. Rebound. Pero may foul.